This video is about just to start Solidworks after installation. Hi, welcome to our channel, Design Engineers. Support us by clicking on subscribe button and bell icon. At the top of the screen, click the new tool icon. There. New Solidworks document. Dialog box will appear. Solidworks can be used to create three types of documents: part, assembly, and drawing. Part is 3D solid model having different features like hole, fillet or slot. Assembly is used to create assemblies that contain several parts. Drawing is used to create orthographic views of the part and assembly. Dimensions and tolerances can be applied to drawings. Click the Part tool and then click the OK box. This is the area in which we can sketch 2D lines and then convert into 3D model using SolidWorks tools. SolidWorks uses one of three basic planes to define a drawing: front, top, and right. These planes correspond to the planes used to define orthographic views. The top plane will be used to demonstrate the first few tools. Click the top plane option in the Feature Manager box on the left side of the drawing screen. The top plane's orientation will change to a 2D view. The top plane appears as a rectangle because the view is taken at 90 degrees to the plane. We draw 2D sketch on this plane, then convert it into 3D. To watch our more videos, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. If you like this video, press like button and share to your friends. Here you can learn SolidWorks from beginning to expert level as much short time as possible. Thanks for watching.